Hi guys, and welcome back to Latoria Designs and Decor. Today I'm going to be doing this nice elegant piece with these Dollar Tree items here, with these two boards to start. With these two boards here that has this silver background, two Dollar Tree mirrors here. I'm also using this bling wrap that I got from Walmart that I always use in my tutorials. I'm using this contact marble paper that I love so much. And so with the first boards, I wrapped the contact paper around those just for my base. And then of course I use some strong adhesive, which is the 527 that I use. And then I use the other boards with the silver background to put on top of it. And of course I had to clean my mirrors, and I always use natural products, so this is what I use for that. And so when I did my mirrors, I took out the frame part. Not to mention, when I took it out of the base, that was a piece sticking out here, but it really didn't matter because I used the bling wrap to go around the base, so you couldn't really notice it at all. And I forgot also to mention that this bowl on top is from the Dollar Tree, so I can place things inside of it. I placed this in my room. You can place it in anywhere in your home or an event. It is a nice, elegant piece, guys. I appreciate you all for watching continuously. Have a good one.
Yeah.